Okay, so again, you can plot the C value and then you can untick this one. If the productivity index remains more or less constant, the P over Z, the static P over Z, and the flowing P over Z will give the same OGIP. In this case, approximately 44,000 mmSCF. And lastly, this one, the AGFMB, agar wall flowing material balance. Okay, here I will this one hide disabled points so that I can see it more clearly. Okay, so you see here the flowing material balance, the gas normalized rate. Okay, gas normalized rate. Of course, you can move it around like this. Okay, and they will correlate between the flowing and static P over Z and the flowing material balance. And you see, as we change, okay, as we change this curve, all the properties will stretch a little bit. Okay, that's because in gas we have pseudo time. Okay, we have pseudo time. We don't have that kind of pseudo time in oil, because oil we can say is more or less incompressible, or yeah, not really compressible. Okay, slightly compressible, but gas is very, very compressible. So the properties will be dynamic based on the change of the pressure. So again, you will have pseudo time, which will indicate the dynamicity of gas properties based on the pressure. Okay, so you can see by moving this this line, all properties will be stretched a little bit. Okay. Okay, so like this. You see, this line is very important. Okay, and this flowing material balance line will move by also connected with productivity index. Okay, and then I will change like this. I will move it. Okay, you can see. Or you can also tools to select data points for best fitting. Select points, select all data points, deselect all data points, select points using rope selection. Let me try to do this one. Okay, let me see. Okay. So quite easy, right? And then again, I can go back to set most to default and then change to 44,000. Okay, so you see, they are all connected. The flowing and static P over Z, and then the flowing material balance and the productivity index, they are all connected. Okay. The productivity index will be a good indication that will confirm that static P over Z and flowing P over Z will arrive at the same conclusion, which is the same original gas in place. And flowing material balance will also give another confirmation that the result from P over Z is actually acceptable or correct. So P over Z, static and flowing, will support the flowing material balance conclusion. Okay. Okay. And this x-axis is the cumulative gas production and the normalized gas rate cumulative production. Okay, so if you untick the FMB, the line is only, or the axis is only cumulative gas production. Okay, so basically P over Z is plotted P over Z against cumulative gas production, but for the flowing material balance, the y-axis is gas normalized rate and the x-axis is normalized gas cumulative production. To help you, you can use these tools to select data points for best fitting, and then you can change it manually like this. Okay. Initially, I actually want to start from 0, but actually I can maybe close this one. Are you sure you want to delete the worksheet FMB gas? Yes. Okay, because more or less I've just shown you how to do FMB analysis and P over Z analysis. Okay, or the RTA, the rate transient analysis using this FMB option. By the way, you can generate this result or generate this calculation, this analysis by clicking this button, new worksheet.